If you're gonna eat, might as well taste good. Okay, so I'm feeling like having some wings tonight. I'm gonna make them on the Kamado. I'm gonna do voodoo wings again, which I did those on the Weber not so long ago. But I'm gonna do them on the Kamado this time and see if I can get the same good results. They were pretty good results on the Weber. So here's how I've got it set up. Here at the bottom, had the door about halfway open. On the top, got a little more than halfway open. So one of the problems with Kamados is once you get them set up and going, it's hard to add smoke. This particular time I've got it open up like a Pac-Man, so the heat deflectors are getting hot along with everything else. What I'll do is I'll drop some cherry wood in. Just as I'm getting ready to smoke it. Put the wings on, and hopefully we'll get a nice good smoke. Like I said a second ago, we're gonna do the exact same thing we did last time. Voodoo, Holy Voodoo. I really like this rub. Also, one of the first things you'll notice is it has got a lot of salt in it. It's not sugar based. Sugar's not its #1 ingredient, so we're not gonna have problems with these things burning. I don't have a video on how to cut up wings because there's about 1.5 million videos about how to cut up wings on the internets, and I figured y'all can go find them. We're gonna dry these things off. Just, you know, get them sort of dry. They're pretty wet from being thawed. They were frozen, then thawed out. The grill's coming up pretty quick. I had a call at the end of the day for work, so I had to step back away. That let the grill get on up temp without me getting everything prepped. So now I'm rushing with my prep. When we're done, they're going to look somewhat like that. It was going to keep creeping up on me. We're now running around 450. I just kicked it back a little bit. I'm going to bring it back a little bit down here as well. We open this thing up, we're going to lose some heat, but we're also going to give it more air. So it's going to start trying to jump right back up. Hopefully we can get it under control. I think we can. All right, we're going to do this quick. Everything in here is really, really hot, so I don't need to touch it. So, but I want to get this cherry wood down in there. All right, now use this. Pull things together. I don't have my glove over here, so we're just going to do it this way. And it seems to be working pretty good. Look at that. We've got it together. Now, we'll give them 2 minutes to get warm and we'll scrape them down before we put on the chicken. Be back in just a moment. Let's lay it on there before we lose any more heat. You want space in between the chicken, but since we're using a Big Joe 3 here, we've got plenty of space. So I don't have to crowd them in very much. I just want them sort of be in the same area. And there we go. See you in just a minute. Had a little bit of rain come in on us. These things are sitting at 160-ish right now. I'm going to take them up to 170, 180. I'm going to take them on up there. This dark meat can handle some heat like that. It can handle being a bit higher. And I want to get some good color on this side. We're still getting smoke rolling out of those chunks. I was worried they wouldn't last this long, but they've done well. Huh, that was hard to even tell. All right, 5-10 more minutes. We've been going now we've been going about 30-35 minutes. So we'll give it just a little bit longer. We'll come back and we'll hit them with that sauce. And we got the rain coming in, so I may not be able to videotape it all, but I'm using a GoPro, so might do it in the rain. As I said a minute ago, the rain's come in on us. We might be saucing in the rain. And well, here's sauce and here's rain, so here we are, right? So sometimes I'll spin them, sometimes I sauce them like this. Just sort of depends on how I'm feeling. And today I'm feeling this way. So everybody's You know, I'm sure everybody's got their opinion, but I like doing it like this. You get a nice good coat on one side, you flip it over, give it a nice good coat on the other side. It should complement that voodoo sauce really well. Should be back in about 5 minutes or so. That's going to put our total cook time at like 45-50 minutes. I'll check it in just a minute. Be right back. Woo! Look at that. I don't even need to temp these. I will on the inside, but I don't need to. I know what these things are doing. They're going to be running about 170, maybe even more. And I am about to have me a good old time. Now, looky. Them are some good wings. These look great. You know, I was really happy when made some wings the other day. They were on the kettle with the vortex using same rub, same sauce. I was ecstatic with how they came out. But I'm gonna tell you, they didn't look this good. They looked good, but they didn't look this good. The color on these, and it's flat out because of the smoke. The color on these just came out fantastic. So now we gotta dig in, but it's so dang hot, barely can. Ooh. That is pretty good. That voodoo is shining through, buddy. It is coming right through on that. That's a pretty damn good rub for a chicken wing. I said that the other day too. But I will also say it's salty. So if you like your wings a little salty, that's fine. If you don't, you probably wouldn't like it. It wasn't that I did too much salt the other day. I may have just done too much rub. So, ooh, that smoke really got on there. That is a good bite of barbecue right there. Good. That is a good bite of some wings. That is some good wings. Very happy with that. I don't know if it's for everybody. I don't know, but I like it. It's a very good flavor. Got some heat. Not a lot, but there is some heat there. And y'all need to try it. So, I'm going to let y'all go. Mainly, I'm needing to let myself go so I can eat these wings. If you like this video content, please remember to hit that subscribe button. One side or the other, I can never keep it straight. And hit the like button. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me some comments. I like talking back to people and saying, hey, you should have tried it this way, should have tried it that way. If y'all got some ideas, leave them down there. How would you do this differently? On a Kamado, obviously if you got a different kind of cooker, you do it differently. Kamados are kind of unique, as is the Weber with a vortex. Don't forget to go and check that video too. Let me know what y'all think. Hope you enjoyed the video.